Alrighty guys, so today we are going to be learning how to do a custom notification sound on a new Samsung phone.
This should, in theory, work on any Samsung phone, I think. But we're using a new phone for this video.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. So first, you are going to want to go to Chrome and go to zedge.net, or you can just search Zedge.
And by the way, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Zedge.
Yes. So, you can search whatever you want. I'm going to be using this train horn right here. Sounds like that. So once you get to Zedge, you're going to find whatever you want, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to click download free. And it's going to prepare your downloads, give you a bunch of ads, and say that it's preparing your download. It's really just making you watch ads. So whenever this ad goes away and it downloads, I'll show you what to do next.
Okay, so it downloaded. You can see at the top of the screen it says file downloaded.
So now what you're going to want to do is go to My Files, and it should be in your recent files right here, and you're going to want to click and hold. It'll bring you to the location, and you're going to want to click copy or move depending on how you want it. I'm going to click move, and then I'm going to scroll until I find notifications. Once you find notifications, you're going to click and click move here. It is now completed the move. So now you're going to want to go to settings and sounds and vibration and notification sound. So the reason I just had you do that is because unlike the ringtone where you have the plus button here, so you just click it and then you can add whatever you want, you don't have the plus button. So you have to do all of that to get it to go into this section right here with all these custom things. So mine is right here, train horn, and then you just click it. And now that is your notification sound.
Okay. So that's pretty easy, and then we're gonna make another video about the ringtone.
Yep.
So that you can see how to do that, which should be a little easier, but we're gonna do that anyway, just for you guys. So with that, that is it. Go watch the next one about the ringtone.